Hi there, welcome back. In the last video, I've shown you changes that we've done in our guest registration model to prepare it for actual guest reservation, billing, and collection. I've introduced a state field which actually will dictate our workflow. We have draft, reserved, checked in, checked out, and cancelled, which will be part of the workflow. And the initial status of our guest registration will be draft. I've introduced you to formatted fields like for example, uh, we have formatted the date, the create date into AM and PM. We also have formatted our date from and date to sched, okay, so that it will have AM and PM. And we have formatted the guest registration ID, which we will show in a uh, left or right alignment later. So it's very important to note that there's a special format that is used to show a date in month, day, year, and hour and minute format with AM and PM. This percent %P indicates it there. In this video, I'm going to show you how we are going to update our, uh, our guest registration list view in order to accommodate this. Now, in the link below, I've shown you an update on the guest registration view, list view, okay, where we will introduce the fields that we have formatted and created. So I'm just going to copy this right from the repository. Okay, so anyway, this will include the guest registration ID, and this will include the create date time in AM and PM format. This will include the date from and the date to also in AM and PM. Okay, so these are the main dates that were introduced. And I head over to our uh, guest XML. Okay, guest.xml in our Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to replace that part, the list view, okay, with the code which is in our repository indicated in the link below. So now let me run this again. Okay, let's open this and go to apps, update our app list, the usual process. Okay, I hope there's no error, and there's none. And let's look at our hotel system, our guest registration. It has now created on, and then the room number, the room type, the guest name. We will adjust the length, the widths later. This will automatically adjust, and we will introduce in one of our future videos how to style this so that we'll be able to freeze columns and make changes to the styles. In the next video, I'm going to create a basic form view for the guest registration uh, form, which will be able to open in the guest registration list view. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.